I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to fix AWS is not recognized as an internal or external command. So if I open the command prompt, right there AWS, then you can get this message. So let's fix that. So for this one, we need to download and install AWS CLI. So in Google search box right there, AWS CLI download. Then go on this Amazon.com site. Here you need to scroll down. Then you need to go on this Windows. Here I'm using the Windows operating system. Or this here MSI file is going to download there. So file is now downloading. Now this turn here, let's open this folder. Double click on this AWS CLI MSI file. So now you can see, let's click on this next. Here I accept, click on next, next, and now you need to click on this install button. Come from Amazon Web Service, let's click on yes, and here installing AWS command line interface. So AWS CLI is now installing inside the Windows machine. Now this turn here, let's click on this finish. Open the command prompt once again. Or there, if I write AWS, so this time there is no any problem related with the internal or external. You can see this, that's compare. Let's use CLS here. Going to check the version AWS minus version. So here you can get AWS CLI, this 2.28 that install, and this also displaying their Python version. Okay, so this is how we can fix this issue. AWS is not recognized internal or external command.